Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Legion Y7000. This is going to be the 2019 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. There are 11 screws on the bottom case. Once you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case far less than a metal one will. You're going to go around the seam of your bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Now be careful not to put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow, careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that off. It's generally best to start out back near one of the back corners. And if you get stuck going in one direction, just leave it, start on the other side, and continue around. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model, the Y7000, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all the tools and supplies, as well as those replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. Your battery is right down here, near the bottom right of my screen. This battery is an 11.52 volt battery, 57 watt hour, and the part number is L17M3PG2. I will have all that information below in the description if you need it to look for a replacement, but I will have a replacement battery below in that link I told you about with all of those replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. It's held in by these 5 screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, usually it's best to not pull on wires if at all possible in a computer. Sometimes you can damage them or pull them right out of the plug. However, in this computer, there's no give here. There's no extra wire to grab onto. So I had to unscrew the battery, take the battery out, and then gently wiggle that out by pulling on those wires, unfortunately. So it's not ideal, but you had to go slow and gentle, and you can wiggle that plug out of the port. I guess the last thing to shout out about this kind of a repair, if you're here because your laptop's not turning on, you could have a bad battery and it may need to be replaced, but keep in mind that most laptops should still turn on and work, even with a bad battery, as long as the charger's plugged in. So if your computer's not turning on, there may be another reason why other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting why your laptop's not turning on, there will be a link above. Also below in the description, that'll be a full tutorial video showing you how to troubleshoot that situation with your laptop. But that's it for this video, how to get inside the Legion Y7000 and access your battery. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.